Hey everyone, last time we talked about destructuring objects syntax, and today I want to talk about the destructuring array. So let's say that we have from the server the list of the products and they are sorted by the most popular product. And on our website we need to display the first three, the most popular product, and then the rest of the items. So before destruction was available, we should access array by the index. So we should say something like const first, and then items, and then access by the index. Same goes for the second and for the third. Right? And that looks like a lot of the code. So with the syntax of destruction arrays, we could do something like, we can say const, then first, second, and then third, and then we should say from where we should get this by index. So in this way it's way shorter. In one line of code we have declared three variables as a const, first, second, and third. We told to JavaScript get by index first and the second and the third from the array of the items, the same as we do up here, but this is way shorter and easier to read. That's one thing. One step further, it's in our array of the product we would like to display only the first three, but it doesn't mean that we would like to eliminate the rest of the items. So in this case we could say that we would like to use this syntax. It's called spread operator, and then let's say that rest of the products. So in this way what it will do, it will access the first, second, and third as before by the index, and then the rest of the items which is available in array it will store in this variable. Just to validate this, console log, then I will just copy this into here. And as we can see, it did exactly what we asked. So it has the first, second, third product, and then the array of the rest of the products. One more useful case for the destruction array syntax is to swap variables. So let's say we have let, and then have me and let you equal John. Console.log, then me and you. So before destruction, what we should do is basically declare the temp variable, something like that. Let temp equal me, then me equal you, then you equal temp, and then we can print once again to validate that it actually was swapped, and it is. But if we will use the new syntax of the destruction array, we could do something like that. We could say that you slash me equal me you, and I will remove this one and move this down here, and we still have the same, but this time we actually did shifted all the variables in one single line of code. And I think this is great. One more useful case for the destruction arrays is when we receive a CSV file from the server, or when we're uploading the CSV file. And in this case, we could have something like const person equal, and then we have Roman Petrenko Denmark Copenhagen. So what we hear here is a comma separated list of the properties, and in a CSV file we know that on the first position that's the name, second position is the last name, third position is country, and the fourth position it's city. So with the destruction array it could be super simple if we do something like that. We will say const, then we will declare our variables, its name, last name, country and city, and this we would like to get from the person. Then we will split, and we will split it by comma, and then we console.log name, last name, country and city. Should be fine now. So as you can see, we can super easy split the our string and get the variables out there. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.